Christmas is just around the corner, so I started making Christmas projects. I've been eyeing to make this Santa Yoda from Pinterest for a while now, so I thought I'd make it into a mixer cover. Instead of doing it by square, I thought I'd do it line by line to make it easier for me. To make it more precise, I decided to sew it by hand. It Build the design by line so you don't get confused. Once you complete the design, iron it and stabilize with fusible interfacing. And then, sandwich it with batting. I like having multiple pockets for my kitchen covers, so I made another one. Of course, make a base for the two pockets. I just used solid color fabric and quilted it diagonally. Then, make the main base for the cover. I just made squares so I could finish it faster. Then, make some binding. Clean the sides of all the areas. Don't forget to iron. Make sure the measurements are correct before you add the pockets to the base. Don't forget to add binding to the top of the pocket before you combine it to its base. Assemble the sides to the main cover and then add binding. It gets gnarly, so just be patient. Turned out cute, and I'm happy it was a good fit for my KitchenAid stand mixer. After Christmas, I could just switch the side around to make it more generic.